Ever wonder why financial experts keep telling you to start saving early? It's all about compounding. Let's break it down. Imagine you put just $100 into a savings account. Nothing fancy, just somewhere it earns a bit of interest. After a year, maybe you've earned a few bucks. But here's where the magic kicks in. Next year, you earn interest not just on your original $100, but also on the interest you already earned. That's compounding. Now, the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. And that growth speeds up year after year. Picture it. Saving $100 a month from age 20 could leave you with nearly twice as much by retirement than if you started at 30, even if you saved the same amount. It's not about how much you save. It's about how long your money has to grow. And here's the kicker. Small, regular contributions add up. Even if you can only afford a little now, compound interest multiplies your money over time. It rewards patience and consistency, not just big deposits. So don't wait for the perfect moment or a big windfall. The best time to start is now, even if it's just a few dollars a week. Let compound interest do the heavy lifting for your future self. Start small, but start today. Your future, you will thank you for it.